So I drove about a couple of hours to get to this mountain in Pennsylvania, and I'm going to hike up 2 hours to get to the top to do a camera comparison of the iPhone 11 Pro Max versus iPhone XS Max. And why am I going to this length to do this test? Well, why not? So technically on paper, there's not a whole lot of changes from the two main lenses from iPhone XS Max and 11 Pro Max. The wide and tele lens are pretty much the same. 11 Pro Max lens has a slightly wider aperture. A lot of bugs. Is this the right direction? There are no signs here. How do I know if there's some hikers out there that are watching this? You're probably making fun of me right now. They all look the same, man. What's up, guys? My name is Sean. Welcome to my tech channel. As I said, I've been hiking up this mountain to try to get to the top and have some really cool comparison shots for you, but I am genuinely lost. By the way, if this is the first time you're checking this channel out, I'm sorry I'm sweating. It's really hot and humid here. But if this is the first time you're checking out this channel and you enjoy tech content like this, please consider subscribing so I can make more videos like this. So finally made it to the top, and I'm getting ready to do the photo shootout of the iPhone 11 Pro Max versus the iPhone XS Max. And when I get back to my studio, I'm gonna put up all the photos side by side and give you my final conclusion.
My heart is beating to your drum, and I'm
so this is a quick test to see if you can actually vlog on this camera. We're also testing the microphone as I'm walking. It's a little bit windy up here as well. So this is my audio from iPhone XS Max, and this is my audio from iPhone 11 Pro Max. As you can see, the iPhone 11 Pro Max offers a little bit, not much, but a little bit wider selfie camera as well compared to the iPhone XS Max.
Can't help myself. You know too well I need you close. Can't help myself. Trying to stop the fall under your spell. Can't help myself. You know too well I need you close. Can't help myself. Trying to stop the fall under your spell. Can't help myself.
are 6 major differences I noticed, starting with the most noticeable all the way to the most subtle. So you just saw the sample footage and photos of the 2 cameras. What do you guys think? Comment down below and let me know what do you think about what you saw. Number 1 and the most obvious improvement is the low light photography. The night mode that iPhone 11 has, it's absolutely fantastic. Phone would basically leave the shutter open so it will capture more light in, which means you have to be fairly stable, both you and your subject. On average, when it's on auto, it leaves the shutter open anywhere from 1, 2, or 3 seconds, but you can go and adjust it and push it all the way up to possibly 30 seconds, depends on how dark it is outside. So in low light photography and night mode, iPhone XS Max cannot even touch iPhone 11. Next major improvement is the front-facing camera. Both in video and in photo, it performed much better. Starting with obviously a little bit wider angle, but also the image that is producing, it was both sharper with less noise. It produces better tone and more accurate colors, and it also produced much better dynamic range. So it captured the sky as well as the shadows much better. Next improvement is the audio, which not a lot of people are talking about. Whether you're using the front-facing camera or any of the 3 lenses on the back, the microphone works absolutely fantastic. It gives you a little bit richer and deeper audio, especially when you're vlogging or when you're talking. Also, it does a really nice job compared to the XS Max to filter some of the surrounding noise that you may not want to have in your video. Number 4, the next noticeable improvement is dynamic range. And this is the one I was personally really excited about. When you are shooting both video and photos in very harsh and bright daylight, the iPhone 11 Pro Max absolutely kills both the highlights as well as the shadows. And when you compare that to the XS Max, you get a lot more details, especially in the shadows. Number 5, the sharpness and noise. In general, when you zoom in and compare the pixels at 200, 300, 400% zoom, you will notice that the iPhone 11 Pro Max produces much sharper images and less noise compared to iPhone XS Max. And number 6, color accuracy and tone. What I was seeing on my phone was a lot closer to real life that I was looking at it with my eyes on the iPhone 11 Pro Max versus the iPhone XS Max. These were the 6 major changes I personally noticed. You guys comment down below, let me know what did you think about this. I gotta tell you, if the lighting conditions are not extreme, such as extreme sunlight and extreme shadows in your photos, it's gonna be hard to distinguish any quality differences between the 2 photos. At least I couldn't, even when I zoom in 200, 300, 400% into the photos. Gotta tell you, ultimately, if you use the iPhone 11 Pro Max for only a couple of hours, you will notice the quality difference in your photos and videos compared to the XS Max. So this was it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me some feedback. Let me know if you like this video or not. And if you have not subscribed yet and you enjoy tech content like this, please consider subscribing. And if you're a return subscriber, I cannot thank you enough for your continued support. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.